So hello everyone. Today in this video I will explain this question. So this question is from inverse circular function and it was asked in 2023 JEE advanced. Okay. So in that question what is given? So it is given an equation that is tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square plus cot inverse 9 minus y square upon 6y equals to 2 pi by 3, where for 0 less than mod y less than 3. So first of all we have to discuss what is this region. So this region is y belongs to minus 3 to 3 minus 0, because 0 is excluded and also 3 minus 3 is excluded, right? So now two cases arise. For first cases, this can be greater than 0, that means 6y by 9 minus y square greater than 0, or one cases may be 6y by 9 minus y square less than 0. 6y by 9 minus y square less than 0, it is implies that y greater than 0. Why? Because this is positive. Okay, so it will be positive, and similarly this is y less than 0. Now one property we know, that cot inverse 1 by x, this is tan inverse x when x greater than 0, and cot inverse 1 by x equals to pi plus tan inverse x when x less than 0, right? So these things we know. So first case 1, what is case 1? Let 6y by 9 minus y square greater than 0. So then what will happen? So tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square plus, so this will be reciprocal when we take tan inverse. So tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square equals to 2 pi by 3. So it will implies that 2 tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square equals to 2 pi by 3. So these two will be cancelled, so implies that 6y upon 9 minus y square equals to tan pi by 3. So what is tan pi by 3? Tan pi by 3 is root 3, right? So this is implies that 6y equals to 9 root 3 minus root 3 y square. So implies that root 3 y square plus 6y minus 9 root 3 equals to 0. So implies that root 3 y square, we can write it like 9y minus 3y minus 9 root 3 equals to 0. So this is implies that we can take common root 3y. So y plus 3 root 3 minus 3 into y plus 3 root 3 equals to 0. Implies that root 3y minus 3 into y plus root 3 3 root 3 equals to 0. Now this will not possible. Why? Because it is implies that y equals to minus 3 root 3, but we know that y belongs to minus 3 comma 3 minus 0. So this is not in that region, so it will not possible. So what is possible here? So y is equals to 3 by root 3. That means we can write 3 root 3 by 3, that is root 3. So 1 root of y we get root 3. So this is 1. Okay. Now this was our first case. When this is less than 0, what will happen? 6y 6 when 6y by 9 minus y square, this is less than 0, then what will happen? So it will be tan inverse 9 minus y square, tan inverse 9 6y by 9 minus y square. This will be plus pi plus tan inverse 6y by 9 minus y square, because we know this property, right? We use here this property, so we will get this. So this will be 2 pi by 3. So implies that now 2 tan inverse 6y upon 9 minus y square equals to 2 pi by 3 minus pi. So it will be minus pi by 3, right? So implies that 2 tan inverse 6y by 2 minus y square equals to minus pi by 3. So this will implies that tan inverse 6y by 9 minus y square equals to minus pi by 6, implies that 6y by 9 minus y square equals to 10 minus pi by 6. We know that this is minus 10 pi by 6, so it will be minus 1 by root 3, right? So now let us find y from here. So implies that 6 root 3 y equals to 9 minus 9 plus y square, implies that y square minus 6 root 3 y minus 9 equals to 0. So we can write it like y square and these things we can write 3 root 3 3 root 3. So 9 equals to, we can write 3 root 3 into, so this will be 3 6 root 3, right? So let us find by not like this. So y equals to 6 root 3 plus minus root over b square, that means 6 square into 3 minus 4 into a into c, that means 9. So divided by 2, so equals to 6 root 3 plus minus, so this is 9 into 4, that means 36. So we can this 3 plus 1 divided by 2, so it will be 3 root 3 plus minus 3 into 2, that means 3 root 3 plus minus 6. Now 3 root 3 plus 6 will not possible, because y belongs to minus 3 to 3 minus 0, right? So what will be possible value? So possible value will be 3 root 3 minus 6. So our one root was y equals to, from here root 3, and one root is this. So y1 is 1 root 3, and y2 1 root is 3 root 3 minus 6, not as asked in the question. So the sum of all the solution of this, so sum of the solution will be, what will be sum? The sum will be root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 6, that is 4 root 3 minus 6, right? So 4 root 3 minus 6, which option was correct? C option was correct. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can share with your friends. And once again, thank you so much. Bye.